begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I fly away to a new space.
Hi guys, I'm starting this vlog here at the garage. I'm just filling up. Guys, petrol is so expensive. I'm literally tired of buying petrol. I bought some fat cakes. It's so cold today, I just felt like having some fat cakes. So good. It's content.
Vlog.
Yeah. One thing about me, guys, whenever I go to Woolworths, I'm not trying to prove a point to nobody. I don't care about those bags. Oh, they're so expensive, eh? Super expensive. I just walk out of the shop with whatever that I'm holding. Today I bought 2 chickens and assorted muffins, and I also got my favorite, the carrots and peanuts. Right now I'm going to the garage to get some gas. Yeah, guys, it's so cold today. I'm wearing layers. I'm layers. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm starving. I'm super hungry. Yeah, ASAP. Yeah. Yeah, que on, thank you. I parking space and I'm just warming up. I just want to get comfortable and just do like a mini life update, chit chat segment of this vlog. I feel as though this vlog was not well planned. I feel like it was literally all over the place, and this segment of the vlog is just a filler and just like a mini update. I don't want to get into too many details, but I just want to let you guys know what's been happening. Firstly, I've moved to a new home, officially, unofficially, we'll get to that. Hence, I'm in a new space. I absolutely love the background, I love the lighting. It's towards the end of the day and the lighting is just absolutely amazing in winter. Let's just get to that. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. I am glowing as well. I got a few new products. On my next video, I'm probably going to do like a mini skincare session. I went home for a few days.
Airtime, data, fashion, appliances, entertainment.
This whole vlog is just me doing stuff in the car. It's literally a car vlog, but like with different segments. So there's just been a lot going on and things are literally all over the place, but the gist of it is that I'm feeling hot and I want to take off my jacket, but then I'm going out of the car, so I don't need to take off my jacket. So yeah, the gist of it is that I'm in Dunedin. I'm at home for a few days. I took leave. My birthday weekend is coming up and my parents are hosting an event and I want to look cute or whatever. So I've decided to do my hair. I'm currently braiding my hair. I'm not done yet. And then right now I'm parked at a nail salon where my mom does her nails. My mom recommended this lady for me to try out and I'm gonna give it a try. So that's why we're here. It's like out of the blue on this vlog, but like that's what we're doing. So I just want to cover my head and then I'm gonna go do my nails, and then when I go back home I'm gonna go and finish my hair because the lady who's doing my hair is a very close neighbor of mine. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm feeling so hot, I'm hungry, but we're gonna get through it, guys. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's go do the nails. I'm gonna take my tripod with me, my bank card. I left my lip balm. I also just want to mention that it's very strange for me to go to the shops or into a building without wearing a mask. It's like so weird for me. I feel like I need to wear a mask, but then I don't. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Let's get going.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into.
I turned 27 on the weekend. It actually hasn't sunk in that I turned 27 because I have other things that I'm busy processing, like the fact that my boyfriend and I, now husband, went through the first stage of the lobola negotiations, which I'm so excited about. I have vlogged the whole thing, of course. Today's the 2nd of July and it's currently 1:30 and we have load shedding. I feel like I've been up since yesterday, the 1st of July, and it's crazy. I think I slept for 2 hours and for some reason I still have a lot of energy. I don't understand that principle when like you're super tired but at the same time you feel so much energy. So today is my lobola day. My boyfriend, like, he kept his promise, guys. He kept his promise and I'm so honored. I've been praying for this day and it finally came. It was so chaotic though, like for a bit. I'm not gonna get into too much detail with that, and hence I'm in a new space. I have officially moved here. but unofficially, because I haven't moved out of my old place. I'm just slowly bringing in my clothes and some of the things that I use this side. And for some reason I feel as though I need to really get comfortable in terms of vlogging around him. For some reason, when we were dating, I was very shy to vlog in front of him, which is a weird psychological principle because he watches my vlogs. So that's just something that I need to kind of get used to. I am myself when I'm with him. It's just like, this is weird, guys, talking in front of the camera. It's literally weird. I'll see you guys soon. I love you. Like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye.